Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will show how to change a Toyota Camry cabin air filter. This is a simple maintenance task that you can easily do yourself. You will find the cabin air filter located behind the passenger side glove box. For this job, you will need a new cabin air filter and a Phillips head screwdriver. It is also a good idea to wear safety glasses and gloves for your protection. First, open your glove box and remove all its contents to avoid any spills. Next, locate the small Phillips screw on the right side that secures the damper. Carefully remove it. Now, gently squeeze both sides of the glove box inward. This action will release the retaining tabs, allowing you to lower the entire glove box assembly. With the glove box lowered, you will clearly see the cabin air filter cover. Now, locate the two clips on either side of the filter cover and press them to release it. Carefully slide out the old cabin air filter and its tray from the housing. You will likely see accumulated dirt and debris. Take a moment to clean out any dust or leaves from the filter housing using a cloth or a small vacuum. Finally, insert your new cabin air filter into the tray, making sure the airflow arrow points downwards. To finish, slide the filter tray back into the housing and snap the cover securely into place. Then, lift the glove box, pushing it inward on both sides to re-engage the tabs, and reattach the damper with its screw. With your new filter installed, you will immediately notice improved air quality and better airflow. Remember to replace your cabin air filter every 12,000 to 20,000 miles, or about once a year, for the best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.